Good morning, everyone. Hello, it is Ladi and welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my crochet channel. I want to share you my bouquet blanket that I made for myself. And actually it's on my lap right now and it's keeping me warm. I love it. But this is it, everyone. Okay. This is my bouquet blanket. Let me back up a little bit. Back a little bit. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And so we pick it up in the middle, just like this. And look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love this blanket. And I finished it on Valentine's Day. So I didn't think I'd make this for Valentine's, but I did. And it took me like 8 days to make. So it's a beautiful blanket. And here, this one is for my son-in-law's mother. She wants a blanket for her bed. So her blanket is going to be cream. I have the colors here, which I bought it at Hobby Lobby. I even bought this bag at Hobby Lobby. But her colors will be the lavender, and this portion is the green, the leaf. So I've got two. I love this yarn, purple, and I've got 3 of the ivy color. It's like a cream color. I believe there's 3 of them. Yes, there's 3. So in the total there's 2 lavender, 3 ivories, and 1 green. And it's gonna make this beautiful blanket for her. So this is a special order, and I'm making it for her because she saw my blanket. She wanted one for herself, so I'm making it for her. Now I promised to do 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the last double crochet is an increase. So that's 8 and 9. And a chain. So I'm doing the 9th row right now, and then I'll do 10 rows, and then I'm gonna stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And a chain. Oh, this one's gonna be a very beautiful blanket. I already know it. So again. Anyway, today is Sunday. It is a little cold. I got the heater on. Everybody's still sleeping in my house. I'm an early bird. I wake up very early. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. I'm always counting out loud so I don't lose my place. Alright, so I'm beginning to love this blanket already. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna do 10 rows. I'm on the 9th row, but let me put this aside because I wanna, and this project goes in this bag. This is her bag for her my blanket project for my son-in-law's mother. Alright, so let me get my basket here. Okay, this basket here, I made a cute little elephant. Isn't he cute? And this was for my auntie in Hawaii, so I made, so I'll put you over here for now. That's my demo. Alright, so I was making the ears. There's 1, 2, I think these are 3 more elephants. Oh, I have to finish make the ear. Okay. This is the 3rd pair of ears. So these are 3 more elephants. I made the tail. Okay, where's the other tails? And this is how I am productive. I make all the parts. There's the 3rd tail. There's the 3rd tail. And these are 3 tails. I'm working on the 3rd set of ears. I made the 3 bodies. 1, 2, and 3. And the 3 set of legs. 1, 2, and 3. So I have to make 3 heads and finish up the ears. That's what I have to do today. And these are this cute little elephant. Isn't he cute? He's adorable. Right. So she wanted some elephants. And so that's one of the projects I have to finish. And then I have to put these together. They're the hanging tulips right here. And I have 3 of them in here that I need to sew together. So that will be the next thing I will do. Let's put it over here. Okay, so, and I will put this back. So I have to finish those today, and then I have to finish my dogs. I kind of put it in a platter here, but these are the Dachshund dogs I've been making. I made the ears, I made the body, and now I just gotta make the head. So that's gotta be done. And I think that's what I'm going to work on today, but let's go forward. So everyone, well, welcome to my channel. And I love my blanket. My bouquet blanket is so beautiful. I can actually put it around me. It's so thick. I can actually put it around me. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I can wear it like that. If I get so cold, it's like a poncho. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I haven't made a blanket for myself in a long time, and so this was a special treat for me. Well, keep watching my videos, everyone. Stay tuned to my channel. Hope to hear more people. Comment on my videos, please. If you have any question, any type of question you want to ask me, go ahead and put it in details in my comment below and let me know. All right, take care, everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Want to learn how to crochet? I have a link below to take my online classes just for you. Bye, everyone.